Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Supermom Pooja and I'm Jack of all trades. I like learning new things and sharing with others. So if you're like me, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Let's start today's video. It's very easy DIY display board which you can make from the waste. Here I am using TV screensaver board which comes inside the TV packaging, glue gun, decorative ribbons, artificial fall leaves, two scarecrow puppets and pair of scissors. All this item I purchased from Dollar Tree. With the help of glue gun, I am going to stick this net green ribbon all around this rectangular board which gives this board a beautiful broad green border. So I am making a Thanksgiving or fall display board. You can use any theme and any other kind of ribbon if you want. Be very careful when you are using net material and the hot glue gun because it may burn your fingers. So when you are pressing the ribbon, be very gentle. This is how you have to press, and this is how you are going to stick this ribbon all around the board. So I'm going to use this board for my sun craft work display. You can use this beautiful display board for your family picture display or for the Thanksgiving dinner party if you want to display any photos or the memories. You can use it for that also. When you reach to the corner, make sure you cut the ribbon. Don't try to fold and overlap it because it's not going to stick properly. So cut it with the pair of scissors. This is how you are going to stick the corner. So it looks very neat and clean. After completing the border, board looked like this, and now it's time to add some more detail to my display board. I'm going to make first all four corners with the help of artificial fall leaves, and slowly I'll add more leaves and other details to my board. After completing all four corners, now I am adding some more details, some more leaves and scarecrow on the board. It will give the complete look to my display board. When you are sticking the scarecrow, press firmly, otherwise it's not going to stick. You can hang this display board on your wall with the help of command hook. So friends, this is the complete look of DIY display board. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.